Belgium is gearing up to welcome its inaugural F-35A Lightning II fighter jet in the fall of 2025, as reported by Lockheed Martin Europe. Currently, 8 Belgian pilots are undergoing training at Luke Air Force Base in the United States. Following these initial deliveries, production and assembly efforts for Belgium's F-35 fleet will increasingly shift to European facilities, with final assembly and checks performed at Lockheed Martin's Cameri plant in Italy. Simultaneously, manufacturing capabilities for components are being expanded across Europe to support this effort. In tandem with acquiring the stealth fighter jets, Belgium is implementing a comprehensive €275 million overhaul of its primary fighter bases, Florennes and Klein-Brogel. This infrastructure upgrade will include new hangars, reinforced aircraft shelters, maintenance areas, and state-of-the-art simulator complexes. Additionally, the modernization encompasses quick reaction alert (QRA) facilities, mission planning centers, and enhanced living accommodations to boost operational readiness. These upgrades are critical to support the advanced logistical and tactical demands of operating fifth-generation aircraft and to align Belgium's Air Force infrastructure with NATO standards for rapid deployment. Belgium's fleet renewal strategy aligns with the planned phase-out of its F-16 fighters, many of which are slated for transfer to Ukraine once the F-35s become operational. Reflecting NATO's defense spending goal of 2% of GDP and Belgium's ambition to maintain cutting-edge air combat capabilities, the country is anticipated to increase its F-35 acquisition by as many as 21 additional jets, potentially growing its fleet to a total of 55 aircraft. The initial procurement contract, signed in April 2020, secured 34 F-35s following Belgium's 2018 selection of Lockheed Martin's offer over competitors Dassault and Eurofighter. The agreement, which received U.S. State Department approval in early 2018 and was publicly confirmed later that year, is valued at roughly €4 billion, significantly under the original budget by about €600 million, and includes comprehensive support extending through 2030. This foundational deal set the stage for ongoing expansion and integration within the European defense industrial base. The F-35A Lightning II is a single-seat, single-engine stealth multi-role fighter developed to perform a broad spectrum of missions, including air dominance, close air support, strategic strikes, suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 PW100 turbofan engine, it generates up to 43,000 pounds of thrust, achieving a top speed of Mach 1.6. The aircraft features an internal weapons bay capable of housing 5,700 pounds of munitions to maintain stealth, with an option for external payloads exceeding 18,000 pounds when stealth is not essential. Equipped with the N/APG-81 AESA radar, Distributed Aperture System, DAS, Electro-Optical Targeting System, EOTS, and Advanced Electronic Warfare Suites, the F-35's integrated sensor fusion provides pilots with unmatched situational awareness. Its operational range extends beyond 1,000 kilometers with aerial refueling capacity, while its stealth design reduces radar visibility, enabling covert operations in contested airspace. The aircraft's data link and communication systems ensure seamless interoperability with allied forces and command networks. Support systems include the Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALIS, currently being upgraded to the Operational Data Integrated Network, ODIN, for improved maintenance and mission planning efficiency. The cockpit features a panoramic touchscreen and a helmet-mounted display system, HMDS, projecting real-time targeting and flight data into the pilot's view. These advanced technologies establish the F-35A as the most sophisticated multi-role combat aircraft in service, optimized for joint and coalition warfare. Belgium's acquisition of the F-35A is a strategic response to escalating security challenges in Europe, notably the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and increased Russian military assertiveness near NATO borders. Integrating the F-35 strengthens Belgium's contributions to NATO's collective defense and ensures interoperability with allied air forces. As European countries invest in future-ready defense capabilities to bolster deterrence and maintain air superiority, Belgium's modernization efforts position it as a vital and autonomous player in regional and global security dynamics.